Hey guys, got new turn signal / marker lenses for the Beetle. Gonna try and get them switched out pretty quick. Shouldn't be too hard. Only one screw a piece and a little twist for a single bulb. Let's get started. Alright, here we are on the driver's front corner of the Beetle. Single Phillips screw in the corner. Comes out pretty quick. Slides out on the back, and you've got one connector, little twist, wipe off the bulb because it's probably got a little bit of old schmutz left on it. Put the new one in. Hook slides right in. Installed. Let's do the other side. Here we are on the passenger corner. Same thing as the driver's side. Single Phillips screw comes out. Take the screw out. Pulls out just a little bit. Unhooks from the front. Twist and pull. Wipe off your bulb. Install the new one. Simple twist, push, line up your new screw slightly, and that's as simple as it gets. Not too much to it, just a couple screws and you're done. Simple fix, looks way better whenever it's finished. The old lenses were cracked, had a little bit of crusties on them. The new stuff, well, it's new. So new looks better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Front. Something's not just lining up right. Hook the front. Figure out what's catching. Alright, what's different? That's a hook. Ah, we got the wrong side. Make sure you have the right side. Put in the new bulb, simple twist and turn and you're in. Hook the front. Hey guys, we got new turn lenses / marker lights for the Beetle. We're going to try and install those pretty quick. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard. Smart asses.